Ever wondered why spinach was Popeye's secret weapon? Or why your grandma insists on that apple a day? Welcome to the fascinating world of nutrition and healthy living, where every bite matters. In the next 7 minutes, peel back the layers of myths surrounding nutrition and unveil the science-backed truths that can transform lives. Imagine a world where food is not just a source of pleasure, but also a wellspring of health. That world exists. It's right here, right now. All it takes is a little knowledge and a willingness to embrace change. First up, let's debunk a common myth. Eating healthy does not equate to eating boring. In fact, the spectrum of nutritious food is as diverse and colorful as a rainbow. From the deep reds of tomatoes, rich in the antioxidant lycopene, to the vibrant oranges of sweet potatoes, packed with vitamin A, the palate of healthy food is anything but dull. But what about the taste, you ask? Here's the thing. Nature is a master chef. It knows how to blend the sweet, the sour, the bitter, and the savory into a symphony of flavors. Ever bitten into a ripe peach or savored the tartness of a juicy berry? That's nature at its culinary best. Now, let's talk about the big P, protein. Often associated with gym goers and fitness enthusiasts, protein is in fact essential for everyone. It aids in growth, repair, and immune function. And no, it's not just found in meat. Lentils, chickpeas, and even quinoa are excellent sources of plant-based proteins. Next, carbohydrates. They've been demonized in recent years, but it's crucial to understand that not all carbs are created equal. While refined carbs like white bread and pastries can spike blood sugar levels, complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber. Speaking of fiber, it's the unsung hero of nutrition. It aids digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even lower cholesterol levels. Foods like oats, apples, and chia seeds are high in this dietary superpower. And let's not forget fats. Yes, fats can be friends too. While it's wise to limit saturated and trans fats, unsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish are actually good for heart health. The journey to healthy living doesn't have to be a leap. It can be as simple as swapping white rice for brown or choosing a piece of fruit over a cookie. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So, why not start today? Unlock the power of nutrition and step into a world of vibrant health and vitality. Remember, every bite counts and every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to a healthier, happier you. In the end, a healthy life isn't just about the number of years in your life. It's about the life in your years, so make them count. Embrace the power of nutrition and embark on the journey to a healthier, more fulfilling life. Because when it comes to health, the best wealth is self-care.